Our next topic is classification of materials according to energy band theory. First, we will discuss energy band theory. The range of energies possessed by the electrons of the same orbit of different atoms in a solid is called energy band. Energy levels in an atom are: first is the nucleus H, first energy level, second and third. These are the energy bands in a solid. First is the valence band, second is the empty conduction band, and this is the forbidden energy gap. Now we will explain each band and forbidden energy gap. First is the valence band. The range of energy possessed by valence electrons present in the outermost orbit is called valence band. This band may be completely or partially filled by valence electrons. This band. Now, second is the conduction band, this one. The range of energy possessed by free electrons responsible for conduction is called conduction band. The conduction in solids is possible only when some electrons are present in conduction band. Third one is the forbidden energy gap, this one, between valence band and conduction band. The energy gap existing between a conduction band and valence band is known as forbidden energy gap. There is no electrons in this region, so the electrons can only jump to conduction band. Here, electrons can only jump to the conduction band by receiving extra energy from external source. Now the classification of materials on the basis of energy bands. First is the conductors. Conductors are those materials which offer least resistance to electric current. Conduction band is overlapped with valence band. This is the energy band diagram for conductor. Valence band and conduction band both are overlapped with each other. So the large number of electrons can jump from valence band to conduction band with the application of the small potential difference. Now the second type is semiconductors. Those materials whose resistivity lies between conductors and insulators. In the semiconductor, valence band is full of electrons while the conduction band is empty. In this case, energy gap is very small, approximate value 1 electron volt. With the application of small potential difference, the electrons can jump from valence band to conduction band. So this gap have the value of 1 electron volt. Now the third one is insulators. Those materials in which we cannot pass the electric current easily. Conduction band remains empty while the valence band has many electrons. Forbidden energy gap between the valence band and the conduction band is quite large. Approximate value is 20 electron volt. So it is not easy to conduct the electric current through them. A large amount of energy is needed to move the electron from the valence band to the conduction band.